Have you ever wanted to transform your living space into a personalized gallery? Welcome to the definitive resource for doing just that. This comprehensive guide will take you step by step through the process of creating a captivating gallery wall that goes beyond mere decoration to become a visual narrative of your life. First off, it's all about finding your theme. This could be anything that resonates with your personality and interests. Travel, family, hobbies, or even a mix of everything. A central theme will guide your selection process and ensure your gallery wall tells your story. Next, consider the art of curation. This involves blending various art mediums, from prints and paintings to photographs and memorabilia. The goal is to create a harmonious yet diverse collection that speaks to your unique experiences. The right framing can enhance the overall aesthetic of your gallery wall. Dive into different materials, colors, and styles to complement your chosen artworks and add that extra touch of charm. Arranging your pieces for maximum impact is the key to a stunning gallery wall. Explore layout options from traditional grids to asymmetrical designs to find the one that suits your space and vision. Personal touches can add depth and meaning to your display. Whether it's personal mementos, letters, or even 3D elements, learn how to seamlessly integrate these into your gallery wall. Scale and proportion play a crucial role in creating a visually appealing gallery wall. Balancing different-sized artworks will help achieve a cohesive and harmonious look. Get hands-on with practical DIY tips and hacks. From creating custom artwork to innovative hanging solutions, discover budget-friendly ideas to make your gallery wall truly one of a kind. Maintain flexibility with your gallery wall. Learn techniques for adding new pieces over time and refreshing the display to reflect evolving chapters of your life. Illuminate your gallery wall with strategic lighting. Highlight specific pieces and create a captivating ambiance that brings your gallery wall to life. Finally, embrace the idea that your gallery wall is a living entity, capable of evolving with your journey. Your walls can become a canvas of memories and a reflection of your extraordinary life. So, are you ready to embark on a journey of self-expression and creativity? It's time to turn your living space into a personalized gallery that tells your unique story. And remember, this is more than decoration. It's about creating a visual narrative that truly reflects you.